This needs to be done. Like, it's really about the makeup, and if you can focus on that, then we're good. Really, because okay.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I'm back with another video, and today, you know what I'm saying, I'm giving a soft beat to the girls. Something's like, you know what I'm saying, something's like something right. The quality of it all, like the skin, the makeup, and it was really simple, really easy, really quick, you know what I'm saying. Like, this is a convenient full face makeup tutorial, like in a rush. Like, you want that glam, but your time is very limited. This is something you should do. So just, let's get into the video. Stay tuned. Okay, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna start off doing my eyes because I just feel like doing it that way. I already have concealer on my eyes, so I'm just going to use that as my base. I'll be working out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette today, and I'm just going to kind of do a very neutral look. I'm not liking this brush already. I started to come on here with my eyes already done because it's really about the base. But I was like, you know what, don't do that, you know what I'm saying. So I'm going into Rustic. Rustic is my transition shade today because this is not going to be, this is going to be a very natural look. So I'm probably literally only going to be using one more color after this. I think my eyebrows might be a little off, but I plan on fixing them, so please spare me. I think I'm gonna go into Mulberry for some reason. It just caught my attention, you know? It's a really pretty red. Well, burgundy. I'm gonna go right in the crease with that, kind of flicking it down to my lid as well. You know what I'm saying? Now, did y'all see that WAP? Is it WAP or WAP? I think it's WAP. Either way, it's Cardi B's song featuring Meg, okay? Two of my favorite artists. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them both. They killed that song. They literally ate, and today it literally hit #1 on Billboard. And I'm like, okay. I was so excited for them. Like, I was just so happy for them. Like, Cardi B has not released music in so long. I think she said it's been 9 months. And people have been literally waiting on Cardi, me being one of them, you know, about new music. And then her first day back, honey, when she first announced it, I'm like, and of course it's with my love. Like, I love Megan. What I didn't appreciate is how, like, these men have so much to say. Things that are just so acceptable for men to do, they literally just will trash a woman whenever she does it, and it's just like, please get over it, you know. And then they chose the wrong two women to state their opinions about, because Meg and Cardi are not gonna give, you know what I'm saying, not near a single one of them F's. I don't know if I could curse on YouTube. I mean, I have before, but I know YouTube be changing its policy. This look is not supposed to be anything. I just really want y'all to know that. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and I'm just gonna create wings on both sides. So now what we're gonna do is get into our face. So I'm taking my Honey Do Me Up drops, you did. You know what I'm saying? I have used this to like, oh, put some over there. I've used this stuff up, honey. Give me radiance, give me hydration, love. Something smells real perfumey. Oh, my candle is next to me. Okay, so I am mixing 2 foundations. These are the NARS Radiant and then the Tarte Face Tape, MD4 for the NARS Radiant, okay? Because y'all know, y'all, if you know, you know. And then Rich Sand for Tarte. And we just gonna get it popping. Ooh, is this a perfect match or is it? Let me not speak too soon, because you know, I don't got time. I have not used the Tarte. Well, I haven't used either of them in a minute. Like, it's been a real hot minute. I'm saying, oh, I love how it's making my skin look so far. I've always loved the Tarte though, and I've always loved the NARS. I just, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you stray away, and ain't nothing wrong with that. Look at, oh, why did I ever leave you? Going in with my Crayon Case Highlighter Concealer. This is in the number 13. Anyone who saw like my older videos, I think I even done a review on it, you know, and y'all know how I feel about the Tarte. If you don't, I love that the finish of it. It is very full coverage. It is actually pretty radiant. There was a lot of hype around that foundation because of the shade range for their first launch of, I think it was Shape Tape, and then they launched this one, Face Tape, because it was just like a relaunch where they came out with more shades of it, because they really only had what, like 6 shades. They had literally no shades, and then on top of that, and you know, there weren't any really for women of color. It was like 2. So because of all the hype and all the backlash, you know what I'm saying, they did a relaunch. And I just thought I would break it down for y'all because of how, like, no one really talks about it. And I think, you know, people are kind of done with them. But the way this foundation just laid, I cannot wait to see how this face gonna look, honey. So far so good, king. Okay, so going in with my Huda Beauty High Coverage Concealer. What's this? This is Toasted Almond, okay? A little bit of toasty. Have y'all seen The Shy? Because I'm hurt. I'm hurting. Oh, and I forgot his name. That's so sad. But y'all know old dude who killed Coogie. You know, if you, from season 1. And everyone hated him. You know what I'm saying? Ronnie, that's his name. I had to look him up. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not about to play over his name like that, you know. So, he literally worked so hard to get better and be better, because he felt bad about killing Coogie, as he should have, because like I literally hated him after that. Like literally hated that man for doing that to that poor innocent boy. So this man saves Keisha, you know what I'm saying? And because one thing about it, I'm not about to be going all in depth telling y'all what happened to Keisha, because y'all should just watch it. You know what I'm saying? And he saved her, and then freaking what's his face, Emmett and Lala, they had their grand opening for their restaurant. Y'all know this. And he just died. Like, I knew something was gonna happen because the whole time at the grand opening, I low-key forgot where I left off because my sister came in my room. But I'm gonna say with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. What's this in the shade? Banana, you know, the typical banana shade. But literally, oh yeah, the way they were setting it up at the grand opening, it just, you could tell like everything wasn't about to be all peaches and cream. Like, everybody was having a good time. Everybody was there. And everybody was just enjoying themselves. And me and my sister, we watch it together all the time. So she was just like, something about to happen. Something about to happen. And I had said it. I was just like, something about to happen to him. I think he gonna die. Ronnie. Like, I knew it. Like, I knew it was either that or stupid Emmett, who's played by Jacob Lattimore. I knew, like, I thought his stupid self was gonna end up getting caught for cheating on this girl. And like, they was gonna make a scene or something. And then everybody was just gonna be like, here go Emmett, can't do nothing right, you know what I'm saying? But no, it was some dude who got revenge for Cookie. I mean, but he literally came out of nowhere because no one knew him. But the man got shot in the head and he was so unresponsive. So I just feel bad because that man was about to leave. Like, he had just felt like he had fulfilled his purpose. And like, he could leave Chicago because he just felt better because he saved Keisha. Like, he was like, he felt better about himself. He was doing good. Oh my gosh, the man was doing good, Lord. Lord, that thing hurt me so bad, y'all. I just, that's so sad to me. Going in with my Coco Naughty, honey. But oh no, I gotta set first. Stop playing with us. I'm gonna use my NYX No Filter today to set. Did I drop something on me? Cause this is a white shirt. I knew I was taking a risk by doing this shit. Yeah, after I just said I wasn't gonna cuss, and then I just did it again. Well, such is life, I guess. But yes, that thing hurt me so bad, y'all. Like, I knew something was about to happen. I knew it. I was like, ain't no way this show just about to go off. And lo and behold. But they could have sent him off with a little bit of happy ending. Like, they could have just let him go on off with his friends. You know what I'm saying? Living his life. Like, why couldn't that just be how they ended the show? They had to kill him. Even though his voice is aggy, it's like, something about it will make you feel bad in a minute. Like, I'll be like, oh my gosh, pull him. You know, like, I tried with this brush. Like, I really did try my best. Emmett really has pissed me off. Like, Emmett wants to ask that girl to marry him, knowing he done messed up. Emmett is awful. Like, Emmett needs to get that fixed. But if you watch the show, I mean, his daddy is literally Big Emmett. Like, they're both just awful. Like, both of them, it just don't make no sense. It's just like, boy, Emmett got it honest, honey. Because he's just like that daddy. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Dragon Beauty, you know what I'm saying? Tap that in, you know what I'm saying? Tap, tap, tap in. Okay, come on, swing, okay? Indeed, honey. Indeed, okay? You can rely on this for a fact. Like, I never knew I needed this until I got it. And we're here. Go back in. I don't know. Going in with highlighter, you know what I'm saying? Taking this one right here from Ofra. Yes, indeed. Yes, yes, indeed, honey. I am starving. Like, I have not ate all day. I'm hungry, okay? Hungry. That's how you gotta say it when you're like starving. Enlarge my territory. Yes, honey. to go up on this brow bone. Okay, so we're gonna get into gloss because I need to reapply my lip anyway. I'm going in with my MAC Bittersweet lip liner, and the shade is Bittersweet, by the way, just in case y'all didn't catch that. And then I'm just going to go on top of it with this butter gloss in the shade Madeline. Okay, I'm gonna have to jazz these braids up and lay my edges, but my eyebrows are truly a mess, and I can't find it in my heart to care right now. So yes, you know what I'm saying, look at this. Soft glam, soft beats, simple, like, and the thing is, you know what I'm saying, it don't take long. Like, it literally don't take long. The lashes are from Miss Express Lash and PM23. I stopped showing these lashes on camera because they're literally on their little last leg. Like, if y'all saw them, y'all would probably be like, sis, why are you still wearing those? Like, get rid of them. And I am. So I just didn't want to show them on camera because they're really dingy. But yes, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.